Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most important topics for entrepreneurs, startups, and growing companies, business loans. If you've ever wondered what business loans are, how they work, the types available, how to qualify, what documents you need, and which mistakes to avoid, then this video is your complete guide. Stay tuned till the end because we'll also discuss funding tips, real-world examples, and how to increase your approval chances instantly. Let's begin. A business loan is a form of financing that provides money to a company for its operational or growth needs. A lender, usually a bank, credit union, or online lender, gives your business a lump sum of money, and you repay it over time with interest. Business loans are used for expanding operations, buying equipment, hiring staff, and managing cash flow. They also cover inventory purchases, marketing and advertising, purchasing real estate, and emergency funds. The purpose is to help your business grow, stay stable, and operate smoothly. Here's how a typical business loan works. First, you apply for a loan by submitting your business financials. Next, the lender evaluates your business, checking your credit history, annual revenue, business cash flow, tax returns, and profitability. They also consider collateral if required. Then, the loan is either approved or denied. If approved, you receive a fixed amount, for example, $20,000, $100,000, or even $500,000, depending on your business strength. You then repay monthly, covering the principal amount, interest, and any applicable fees. Interest can be fixed, variable, or based on your credit score. The loan term ends when fully repaid, but you can apply again in the future. This is critical because choosing the right loan can save you thousands of dollars. Here are the major types. Term loans are the most common, offering a lump sum amount with a fixed repayment schedule, typically 1 to 10 years, used for expansion or renovations. SBA loans are government-backed with lower interest and long repayment periods, best for stable, growing companies, though they have strict approval requirements. A business line of credit works like a credit card. You borrow only when needed and pay interest only on the amount used, perfect for cash flow management. Equipment financing is used to buy machinery, computers, vehicles, or tools, with the equipment itself acting as collateral, making it low-risk financing. Invoice financing or factoring allows you to borrow against unpaid customer invoices, great for businesses dealing with slow-paying clients. Merchant cash advance offers fast funding but with high interest, repaid through daily credit card sales, best for urgent cash needs. Microloans are small loans up to $50,000, great for startups and small businesses, often offered by nonprofits and small lenders. Commercial real estate loans are used to buy property, offering long-term financing and larger loan amounts. Startup loans are designed for new businesses, based mostly on personal credit score, and are often unsecured. A business loan can be used for nearly anything related to your business, launching a new product, upgrading machines, or expanding your shop or office. It can also cover hiring more employees, managing low season, paying suppliers, renovating your workspace, or bulk buying inventory. Additionally, loans can be used for improving technology, marketing campaigns, and emergency repairs. This flexibility makes business loans one of the most powerful tools for growth. Business loans help you expand faster, as you don't have to wait years to save money. Loans help you scale immediately. Unlike investors, lenders do not take shares of your company, allowing you to maintain full ownership. Repaying on time strengthens your credit profile, helping you build business credit. Loans often have lower interest than credit cards, especially long-term loans, and offer flexible loan types for every business. Predictable monthly payments help plan better cash flow, and a business with a loan record looks more stable and trustworthy, boosting professional credibility. Lenders usually check business age, with most requiring 6 months to 2 years of operations. They also look at annual revenue, typically $30,000 to $250,000 or more, depending on the lender type. Your credit score is crucial, with 600-680 plus for good approval chances, though some lenders accept lower scores for higher fees. Cash flow stability is important, as your bank statements should show consistent deposits. You may need business documents like tax returns, profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and business bank statements. Financial projections and a business plan are also often required, And for secured loans, collateral such as property, equipment, inventory, or receivables. Online lenders usually require fewer documents. Interest rates depend on credit score, loan type, lender, and economic conditions. Typical ranges are 6 to 15% for bank loans, 5 to 12% for SBA loans, and 10 to 40% for online loans. Merchant cash advances have extremely high APRs, ranging from 40 to 200%. Loan terms vary: short-term, medium-term, and long-term. Consider a clothing shop facing a seasonal dip. They take a $20,000 loan to buy new inventory. Sales increase during festival season, and they repay the loan easily. A restaurant owner takes a $50,000 equipment loan to upgrade kitchen machines. The new equipment increases productivity and profits. A new startup uses a $15,000 microloan for marketing and website development. Their customer base grows fast. Avoid these common errors: taking more loan than needed, missing monthly payments, and not reading the loan agreement. Also, avoid choosing high-interest short-term loans blindly, using loans for personal spending, not planning how to use the money, or applying to too many lenders at once. Being strategic is the key. To increase your chances, maintain a clean bank statement and keep your credit score above 650. Lower existing debt, show stable monthly revenue, and prepare complete documents. Apply to lenders suitable for your business size, build a strong business plan, and start with a smaller loan first. These tips significantly boost your approval chances. Business loans are powerful tools that help companies grow, survive, and scale. Whether you're starting a new business or expanding an existing one, choosing the right loan can transform your future. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.